You know what I'm saying? Throw on this chain, got the bracelet, got the watch, bracelet. I'm gonna add a new bracelet. I'm gonna get a new one. Got the green stacked jeans on, Fashion Nova. Reebok shoes, white with the green in it. You don't gotta throw the gloves on. Woo, yeah. Gloves on.
I have a sweet tooth, like there is no tomorrow.
Hey, it's a big lasagna. That lasagna is crazy big. What'd you get, Fleet? Oh, look at that. Flightness Flock, what's good? I know it's been a minute since I posted up, but I am back like the Terminator, and I'm about to destroy Today, I got a couple errands to run. I'm gonna head to the bank. Then I gotta gas up the whip. Then I gotta come back to the crib, get fresh, head back out, pick up Shorty, and then head to Olive Garden for my mom's birthday dinner at 4 o'clock. So it's gonna be pretty busy. I'm gonna be going back and forth. It's cloudy right now. The sun is not out at all. It's windy, it's cold. Vegas weather has been changing up like crazy, just frequently. Just change up. One day it's sunny, nice. Next day it's freaking cold, windy, cloudy. But that's another story for another day. Right now I'm about to just get fresh, pick up my outfit for the day, and head out. So I'm gonna head in the closet right now and see what I'm feeling. Dylan. Cologne. You know what I'm saying? I got this a couple days ago. That's session. Coach Cologne. It smells good. But yeah, I'm about to check out my outfit. Definitely I'm gonna pick up these shoes. I'm wearing these shoes today. I'm wearing the Reeboks today. Wearing these, bam. And then I got some pants I'm gonna wear. Where my pants at? Oh, right here, over here. I picked these up, these green stacked jeans from Fashion Nova, Nova Man. These are dope. So I'm gonna wear these, and then I got a shirt, Flightness Winged F shirt to match it. Got that green logo on there. So bam, wow. So I'm gonna bring this out. Bring that out. Bam. Got the green, the logo right there. Then the stacked jeans. Bam. And then hold up. Gotta head back in the closet to get gotta get the kicks. Bam. Come back in here and get the other pair, cause I only got one hand. Oh. Whoo, boy, got hands. No butterfingers over here, B. And bam, right here. There we go. So we got the shoes with the white, green, and then the green stacked pants. You know what I'm saying? Jeans by Fashion Nova Man from Fashion Nova. And that's the fit. Boom, that's the fit. All right, boom. Got that shirt on. Just threw on a chain. You know what I'm saying? Throw on this chain. Got the bracelet. Got the watch, bracelet. I'm gonna add a new bracelet. I'm gonna get a new one, like a silver one, maybe a rose gold. And I'm thinking about getting a new watch. You know, probably like an all gold one. Maybe another silver one, but all silver, not the two-tone. You know what I'm saying? Just get a new watch. Just change it up a little bit. Maybe a new chain. I think I'm gonna get like a custom chain. A custom chain with a pendant. Like maybe say Flightness on it. Or maybe I'll get this made into a pendant. You know what I'm saying? Bust it down. Whatever. I got options. Gonna just see what I can do, what I can get. Yeah, watch. Flightness logo tee on. You know what I'm saying? Nice white tee. You know what I'm saying? The pants going all together. Mixing all together like a smoothie. Looking real fresh. But right now, you know what I'm saying? Hair looking good. All right, I'm gonna head out. Let's get it. Yo, it is super windy and cold out here. I have to throw on a puffer jacket to stay warm. It's cold as heck out here. And it's about to rain. Damn, it's about to rain. Looks like it's crazy. I'm gonna whip real quick. know. Yeah. What's this? It's about to start raining out here. It's starting raining out here like a mug, B. Got the blue light. About to change it to the green light. Green light. Yeah, green light under there. All right, about to head out. What's It's cloudy out here. It's about to rain. Well, other parts is nice and sunny. It's just this section right here is all cloudy. But it's not gonna stop me from doing what I gotta do. Getting out, running these errands, handling business. You know, can't stop the hustle, can't stop the grind. Can't stop the hustle, can't stop the grind. No, can't stop the hustle. Can't stop the hustle. Can't stop the grind. So, bank is down the street. Don't have to go super far. Let's go over here. Get some money out. You know, gotta have some money. Cash, really, you know. Don't like always using the card. Like to see some cash. Just got some money out the bank. Ain't about to show you how much racks I got up in this mug. But, yeah, got some money in here. This is my flighting this money bag. Stack all my money up in here. My cash up. I got probably like 10 bags like these. Need to fill them all up. But that's it. That's it. That's a wrap at the bank. All right, now head back to the crib. Put a new fit on, and head to this dinner. All these palm trees remind me of being in Cali. Vegas is turning into LA. They got so much stuff that's similar to LA. Got the football team, baseball team about to come out here. They got a hockey team, women's basketball. They need a men's basketball team. They got Formula One out here. I believe Mark Wahlberg and whoever he's working with bringing out film studios. So Hollywood gonna be in Vegas. So yeah, Vegas is about to be the one-stop shop. It's already a one-stop shop, but it's about to be a one-stop shop times like 50. It's gonna be more people out here. It's gonna be crowded. Vegas Strip always be crowded, especially when there's the events. You do not want to be on the Strip when there's events. You're gonna be waiting forever, 2-3 hours in traffic, and it's crazy because sometimes all you need to do is to get down the street, like 10 minutes, 20 minutes down the street, and you gotta wait 2 hours in traffic, which is crazy. So that's a big problem already. Got the green stacked jeans on, Fashion Nova, Reebok shoes, white with the green in it, matching the jeans, white shirt, looking fresh, you know. Got that fit on, looking fresh like always. Always fresh, always fly. Changed up the fit, got the blazer on, double-breasted, black tee on. Still got the gold bracelet, gold watch, you know what I'm saying? Got the ring on, boom. Yeah. So I did my Clark Kent to Superman, Bruce Wayne to Batman, Dewan to Royal Flyness. Looking fresh. Yeah. Got my Marcus Grahams on from Boomerang. Marcus Flyness. Stop it. I didn't come up here to talk to you about no Scron J. I came up to talk to you about us. This is my Mac Daddy vibe I'm giving you with all of its splendor. Check it. It's like Jet Magazine. Yeah. And got that fit on. You know, real classy. Yeah. You don't gotta throw the gloves on. Woo. Yeah. Gloves on. How it feel look? How it feel look? How it feel look? Throw the shades on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Boss. It's dinner time. Let's go. How you started?
Well, I wasn't talking because I was watching my show. And I didn't feel like talking, so I didn't.
Oh, like silent, just silent?
Yeah, that's me voiceover. But you know what? There's a trend.
There's a what?
There's a trend, a makeup trend, where it's like you get a male in your life to do the voiceover for makeup to
you want me,
video.
You want me to do the voiceover?
Yeah.
Sonya and Fresh Stitch.
And let's see. And that's it for now. Ooh, they have tiramisu. They have dessert. Does your mom like desserts?
You know what? She don't want to get dessert.
Wow.
Yeah, you know what? I'm actually did she get dessert at dinner last night? Because usually she don't get dessert.
It's your birthday. Do your birthday dance. Do your birthday dance.
Oh, I'm gonna get it in a minute.
Thank you.
Oh, what's that margarita?
That's grandma did.
Whoa.
What's that right there?
That's
Oh, I thought that was for
crazy.
you.
No, that's yeah, oh, this looks delicious. What is that right there, margarita?
Italian margarita.
Riscotto.
Stay thirsty, my friends.
Stay thirsty, my friends. What you got?
I have no idea. Guess this.
Got that minestrone.
I'm so sorry I couldn't bring any bread. They are making the fresh bread right now.
Absolutely.
Maybe
Can we eat the bread?
the plate is full.
Hey, it's a big lasagna. That lasagna is crazy big. What'd you get, Fleek? Oh, look at that.
Thank you. Shrimp and chicken carbonara.
That's that good. I'm nice and full, tired. I got the itis from all that eating and drinking at the restaurant. I'm about to relax, get some sleep because I am tired. I'm about to fall out.